My name is Erik Kim. My project right here is a Rube Goldberg machine called the Green Machine. The mentors that helped me were Alfonso and Nia Nguyen, who isn't here right now. Okay, so the electronics microcontrollers that I used were the EV3, the Raspberry Pi, and the Arduino. This is the display for the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino. So the first event is the bucket motor, which basically swivels downwards, which causes this ball right here to fall and go through these guiding walls of the inclined plane. And then once it comes out, it's going to fall onto this lever, which lets go of this trapdoor with the ball on top. Then the ball falling is going to be sensed by this ultrasonic sensor right here. The ultrasonic sensor sensing something is going to trigger this LED right here. That LED is going to be, the LED's light is going to be sensed by this color sensor right here. If the color sensor doesn't sense anything, then it's going to say object not detected. If it does sense something, then it's going to say object detected, and it's going to cause this pulley system to start rolling upwards so the ball can go upwards. And then once it goes off this wall, then it's going to hit this water bottle, and then the water bottle is going to go into this bin. Okay, so here it is. There it is. Okay. Any questions?
Okay. You talked about the mentors. You had two of them.
Yes.
How did they help you?
They helped me a lot and taught me how to code some of the things like the ultrasonic and LED or the color sensor, because those two things were kind of new to me. They helped me sort of build, especially Alfonso helped me build he helped me build and told me advice on how I should build something. And so right here, this inclined plane, it was like falling over today, like a lot, but then Alfonso sort of helped me make this inclined plane stand up a lot stronger.
Okay. You said it's called Green Machine?
Yes.
How did you come up with that name?
Because my simple task is basically to recycle this water bottle, this plastic water bottle. And I thought, well, recycling a plastic bottle is very green. And so I just thought, what about the Green Machine?
Okay. Yeah. What kind of research did you do and then you decided to do this project?
So I sort of
Did you look at any similar systems that are out there?
Oh yeah, I looked at other Rube Goldberg machines to see if, so I can get maybe an idea for the blueprint of this machine, and I also searched up what each simple machine was, and so I could be more familiar with that. I also researched potential and kinetic energy, which basically is it's just energy. For example, potential energy is stored energy, and then kinetic energy is mostly motion or energy that can move around or something.
Okay. What's the purpose of you doing this project?
I think it's going to be easier for everyone to recycle water bottles in the future, maybe.
Okay. What are some of the challenges you encountered and how you solved them?
So for example, like the ultrasonic sensor and the LED right here, one problem that I encountered was that the ultrasonic sensor would sense something that I would even see, like I could even see. And so I was kind of confused by that. But then and then I just sort of rewired it with new pieces, and afterwards it just worked. But before, I just concluded that it was seeing these walls, and yeah.
What are the different kind of sensors you used in this project, and can you talk about them?
Okay, so first, let's just talk about the color sensor. So the color sensor is a sensor that basically senses light, and it is, well, I use, in this project, I used the color sensor programmed with ambient, put to ambient light system. And so it would give values for each color that it senses. And then also there's the ultrasonic sensor, which is supposed to basically sort of sense motion, or just basically through these two eyes, through one eye, it's supposed to send out a message, and then if there's like an object there, then it's going to hit that object and reflect back, and then it's going to come in through that other eye.
Okay. I see a number of USB connected there.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are they plugged into?
Basically, these are all powered by the EV3 right here, and basically all the electronics, like for example the Arduino, the Raspberry Pi, and just the EV3, they're all powered by basically the EV3 because the power ports are all connected to here.
But is that a board of some sort where all of the USBs are connected?
I think I think so. I think it's just sort of like a, I think it's sort of like a range extender, sort of, like where you can just put in a lot of USBs, and then connect it just to one power source.
Okay. Let me see. The pulley system, how did you design that?
Well, so basically first, I just made it not very tall like this, and then I just thought it would work like that. But then one of my mentors, Alfonso, said that it should be able to go all the way up, around, and then just through here, and then come back, and then just keep doing that fluently. And so I sort of changed it like that. But then afterwards, after I did that, then like this, as you can see, it's a little bit curved. So at first it was just straight, but then because it was so straight, like the ball, if it was right here, it would just slide off when it's going up, because I think of friction, and so it would just slide off and go down here. And so Alfonso told me to slightly put it backwards, and then that worked.
All right.
Okay, thank you for listening.
Thank you.